How to properly prepare for a winter road trip. Winter road trips offer stunning snowy landscapes and memorable adventures, but they also come with unique challenges. Cold temperatures, icy roads, and unpredictable weather can turn a pleasant journey into a stressful experience if you're not properly prepared. Understanding how to properly prepare for a winter road trip ensures you stay safe, comfortable, and ready to handle whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Check your vehicle. Before hitting the road, give your car a thorough inspection. Cold weather can be tough on vehicles, so start by checking your battery, as frigid temperatures can drain its power quickly. Examine your tires to ensure they have adequate tread depth and proper inflation. Consider switching to winter tires if you'll be driving through heavy snow or ice regularly. Don't forget to top off your windshield washer fluid with a winter formula that won't freeze and replace worn wiper blades for maximum visibility. Check your antifreeze levels to prevent engine damage and switch to synthetic engine oil in winter for better cold weather performance and engine protection. Pack an emergency kit. An emergency kit can be a lifesaver during winter travel. Include items like blankets, extra warm clothing, non-perishable snacks, bottled water, a flashlight with extra batteries, and a first aid kit. Add a snow shovel, ice scraper, jumper cables, and sand or cat litter to create traction if your tires get stuck. A portable phone charger ensures you can call for help even if your battery dies. Plan your route. Route planning becomes critical during winter months. Check weather forecasts along your entire journey and identify alternative routes in case your primary path becomes impassable. Look for rest stops and gas stations along the way, as they may be fewer and farther between in winter conditions. Share your itinerary with someone who isn't traveling with you so they know your expected arrival time and can alert authorities if necessary. Master winter driving techniques. Winter driving requires a different approach than fair weather travel. Reduce your speed and increase following distance to account for longer stopping times on slippery surfaces. Avoid sudden movements with the steering wheel, brakes, or accelerator. If you start to skid, steer in the direction you want to go and avoid slamming on the brakes. Practice these techniques in an empty parking lot before your trip if you're not experienced with winter driving. Understanding how to properly prepare for a winter road trip transforms a potentially dangerous journey into a safe and enjoyable experience.